Good morning, everyone. I took a few days off from YouTube, honestly, because I just needed a break. Posting a video every day is kind of exhausting. And I haven't done anything spectacular that you've missed. There's literally nothing has happened. I've just been existing. But today is hair washing day. And I'm gonna show you very quickly how I do my hair with the hair wrap. And then I'm gonna show you, I've restocked my cleaning supplies for the house. I'm gonna show you what I use for cleaning supplies mostly. And then I might cook some keto chow biscuits later. And we're gonna try this recipe and I might modify it a little bit. We'll see how it goes. I don't know what to expect. They look good on the website, so I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, that's what's going on today. I am so broke out, as you can see. Only on this side of my face. This side is normal. This side is broke out. Because I can't stop eating nuts, okay? It's become a real problem. But after next week, I won't have any nuts in the house, so that should fix that issue. But yeah, I am so broke out. It's ridiculous. But anyways, welcome back to the vlog. And if you want to see me fix my hair and show you what I clean my house with, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna do my hair now. All right, so what I do is I let my hair dry in a towel for a while. It really just depends on Beckett and how he is for the day, when he takes his nap, or when Ken can keep him for me, or do his father time. And so it's kind of dry. It's towel dry, okay? So then I put on the Olaplex number 6. I use all the Olaplex products. That's all I use on my hair for shampoo, conditioner, and all that in the shower, and then I do this afterwards. So I use the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, the number 6, and I use the number 1 too, but not all the time because it takes time to apply that, and I don't always have that time. So I put about, I don't know, a nickel size amount, and then I just put that all over my hair, all in it. But I concentrate mostly, on the ends, because that's where the most damage is on my hair. You can kind of see my natural curls. My hair is so weird, okay? I have weird texture hair. It's really kinky here, and then it's curly, and then it's wavy, and then on top it's kind of this like weird, it doesn't really have a lot of curl pattern on the very top layer. So, but I have a lot of curl underneath, as you can see. I have ringlets underneath. It's very weird. And then up in here, it gets really very coarse, very, very coarse texture. And then I'm gonna brush that through, make sure it's good and evenly distributed in the hair. I'm using a wet brush. You guys have probably heard me talk about wet brushes a lot. I love wet brushes. You can get them anywhere. This one's from Ulta. It has the Little Mermaid on it. I'm a child, okay? Okay, so you can see how weird, like this is really curly underneath. You see that? And then on top it's like, it doesn't matter if I scrunch it or not. It's just got a light wave to it, but not great. Okay, so then I'm gonna pin up each layer. I'm gonna section it off. I do have curtain bangs now, so I style those first, because if not, then these will get really dry as I go through my hair, and I don't want those to dry out before I style them. Otherwise, they'll just be like crazy and weird. So first I'm going to tie up the back of my hair, and then I'm gonna do my bangs and kind of like the front few layers here. Okay, so I'm using my Dyson Airwrap to style my hair. A fair amount of you got this for Christmas or asked for it for Christmas, and you're not really sure how to use it, it's super easy. The learning curve, I don't think is that significant. What I love about the Airwrap is I have yet to burn myself with this, so that's really nice. And the air gets sucked in through here. And this looks huge. It's super light. Like, it's so light. This weighs nothing. And so we're gonna go in with the biggest, I guess you would call this the curl attachment. And it has little arrows that show you which way it blows. We're gonna curl away from our face. And I have it on medium heat, high fan. And you're just gonna pull your hair out like this. And it just sucks it right up. And you just let it do its thing. Don't fight it, let it suck up more hair if it wants to, because it doesn't tangle, so that's really nice. I turn it off before I let it go. Some people pull it out while it's still drying. I don't do that. I find it does better if you turn it off and then take it out. Where's the baby?
He's in there by himself. I put him in the bowl.
Okay. Okay, so that's one side. And then we're just gonna change to the opposite direction, curl attachment, and do the same thing on this side. Looks really curly right now, and that's because I just did it, right? So it's going to calm down, and I'm gonna brush it out after I'm done. So now that this is, my bangs are done, now I'm gonna move to the rest of my hair. All right, and then I'm gonna section off again the bottom part of my hair and clip it. Okay, now, so I can do this, I do this two different ways. The first way is I do the bottom of my hair with this attachment, and so this just smooths it out and dries it and just kind of makes it straight underneath. But today I'm gonna do curl all over. So I'm gonna keep the roller, the curl attachment on, and just go the same way away from my face. And I just start at the back. I'll pull a section, turn it on, and then I slap it about middle, like the middle of the hair shaft, and it sucks it up, okay? So turn it on, and then just let it do its thing. Turn it off, let it go, and there's the curl. And I'm just gonna continue with the same attachment on this half of my hair, and then I'll switch and do the other side of my hair. This side is done. Now I'm gonna switch and put the opposite direction on. Do the same thing over here. Pull a section from the back. I always start in the back, but you don't have to. That's just how I do it. And here we go. So this is generally about the size of what I pick up. And then you can see as I dry it, I'll kind of pull it out a little bit and scoot it in, pull it out a little bit and scoot it in, and that just helps it dry a little bit faster. All right, I'm gonna finish this side. Okay, so my bottom layer is done. I'm gonna take a silk hair tie. I use silk hair ties because they don't crease and they don't tangle, they just slip right out of your hair. And so that is how I tie my hair back. When I'm done with a section, then I'm gonna take the hair down again, separate down another section, and tie that up again, and just do the same thing all over again. And so I'll show you when I get to the top layer how I do that. I wanted to mention real quick that this has a cold blast button. So you turn it on and then you let your hair curl in the heat, and then you push up on it to do a cold blast. And if your hair doesn't hold curl really well, you can do that and that'll help set the curl. I don't do that because I don't have to. My hair holds curl really well, so I don't have to do that. But if your hair has issues holding curl, then push up on that cold blast and hold it for 30 seconds, allow it to cool the curl, and it'll hold better that way. And putting mousse in your hair also helps the hair hold curl, but like I said, I don't have to do that, so I'm lucky. Okay, that layer's done. Same thing, silk scrunchie, tie it back, and do it all again. Okay, so this is going to be the top layer that I'm fixing to do. The only thing that I do different is that I go down in barrel size. So this is the bigger barrel. I'll change out to the smaller one. That's the only thing that I change. I still just do it away from my face, and I do it section by section. I take a little bit smaller sections on the top layer because you want to get the curl pattern close to your head. So that's the only thing I do different. So you see it's a much bigger ringlet. I'm gonna do that same thing, away from my face on this side, away from my face on this side. Once I get pretty well into the front layer, I will take the clip and clip the part back that I've done, just to keep it from getting in the way when I get to these front layers, so I can really control it a little bit better. So I'm gonna clip that back. I'm just gonna kind of twist it around, whoop, out of the way while I do this side. Okay, so now I'm done with the first go through with all the wands, and this is what my hair looks like right now. So I look a little like the Cowardly Lion, right? So we're gonna brush our hands through it. Just ow, finger brush, okay? Now, do you see how my bangs are still kind of like, I mean, they're pretty crazy, right? All right, so now I'm going to take the round brush extension. We're gonna wet them just a smidge with some water, because your hair needs to be a little bit wet when you're using this tool, or it doesn't work as well. Just a little, or it can be pretty dang wet. It doesn't have to be super dry, like medium wetness. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this part off, put the round brush part on, and go backwards. Now I've got the Charlie's Angels hair. All right, that's pretty much how I want it. Now this curl isn't gonna stay this curly. It will fall out. But the last thing I do is I put this Olaplex hair oil. It's number 7. Shake a little in my hand. don't know if you can see how much, just, that's probably a little much actually, but that's okay. And then I'll run that through my hair. And that's it. And I don't really put hairspray in my hair very much, but since I have the bangs, I probably will put a little hairspray just on my bangs because otherwise they won't do as well. I'm still getting the hang of it, y'all. It's a process getting bangs again. Like, see, this is a little creased, but it's okay. That's from where I put the bobby pin in it. All right, that's it. Hair done. A little hairspray. And that's it. That's my hair for today. Okay, it is Monday, by the way, when I'm filming this. And I probably look like a hot mess. We just finished Monday Night Live and it's 9:30. But I'm gonna show you real quick the stuff that I use to clean the house because I told you I would. So this is the dishwashing detergent that we use. It's Thieves. So chemical-free based kind of stuff. I got 3 of those because I use it all the time. And then this is the cleaner that we use. Now this is super concentrated. I put it in spray bottles that I get. You can get them from Amazon. I've been gifted several from Young Living, so I just have the ones from them. But it tells you how to measure it for different things. So it's got for most cleaning, heavy degreasing, light degreasing, and then cleaning for glass. And I use this on basically everything. Counters, mirrors, the stove, my bathroom, just basically most things in my house get cleaned with this. And then this is the hand soap that we use. It's also Thieves. Got 3 of those. So they come with a foam pump and we go through these. I'd say we get through 1 every 2 months probably because it's foam. It doesn't go as fast. And then just got a bunch of oils. So Christmas Spirit, that smells like, I say it smells a lot like if Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby had a perfume. That's what it would smell like. Peppermint and Breathe Again, which is eucalyptus. Tangerine, more Christmas Spirit, and just a free oil that they sent me. I don't really know what it does. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, that's the main things I use to clean. And I also have Thieves laundry detergent, and I'll show you my little laundry thing. It's so cute. So let me turn on the light in here. Lived here a year. I still don't know what light switch does what. Okay, so this is just a little caddy. I just got this, but how cute. It's very farmhouse. So this is the laundry detergent. It's concentrated as well, so you don't need that much. And then it came with bottles to make your own fabric softener and make your own linen spray. I haven't done that yet, but you know, it's on the list of things to do. You're sitting on top of the washing machine. Anyways, that's it for today, that's it for today, folks. Hopefully I will have some time this week to make more videos. I'm not promising one tomorrow because I don't want to promise and then not deliver. I know you guys understand. Yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure you leave me a comment, hit that thumb, and subscribe to this channel for more Neisha entertainment or lack of entertainment, you know, depending on your opinion of me, which it's really fine. Okay, guys. See you in the next one. Love you, mean it. Bye.